I just don't like getting up out of the bed. Nothing has changed. That part has not changed. How y'all doing? It's 3 Shades of K, back at it again. Krista, I am at my favorite fast food restaurant, fries and milkshake. Remember, McDonald's is not my favorite fast food restaurant. It's just my favorite fast food restaurant specifically for fries and milkshake. Okay? So I just wanted to remind y'all of that, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you. I think I have pretty much finished editing my son's, well, it's not just his graduation, but it's mostly his graduation. I finished editing that video. I'm gonna upload it soon. Yes, I'm excited about you all seeing that. All my babies were here. Yeah, and we enjoyed the weekend. So I'll let you all will see that soon. And the next upload will follow that soon after, because it will include this, where I'm just reflecting on my week as a first timer in, y'all guess, summer school. Out of my 23 years of teaching, I've never done summer school. So yeah, I'm a first timer. Y'all, this is so good. Let me pull my wig down. I've been wanting this all week. But yeah, it's gone pretty well. The kids that are there, for the most part, from what I can see, they're working. They're working hard. They know, 2020 to 2021 was a very different kind of year. And they're working hard for the most part. I did hear a couple of them won't be coming back for different reasons, but they're working hard. Those who are here are working hard. So yeah, everything's been going well. I just don't like getting up out of the bed. Nothing has changed. That part has not changed. Krista L. Henry does not like getting out of the bed, y'all. All right, that's all I can say. Going to bed early or going to bed late? Going to bed early, going to bed late. As I was saying, I figured out it really doesn't matter. Going to bed early, going to bed late. I just realized that was a young lady who I wanted to hook my son up with. I'm always trying to find somebody for my son, y'all. I'm that pitiful. But yeah, y'all. I hope you've had a great work week. Those of you who work, if you're a teacher not working in the summertime, I hope your day your week has been grand. If you're a teacher doing summer school, I hope your day has been great. If you're a teacher who hasn't finished the regular school year, I hope your days have been grand. Yeah. If you're a teacher and you had a child graduating, like me, I hope your week has been restful, or if it's coming up, I hope you have a great time and get some rest after that. That's the only thing, y'all. Graduation and then having to go to work right after that. So yeah. Yep, I'm excited about next week. Some of the kids who've been there for only one, the way our school is doing it, if they were there for only one course that they didn't pass, and they have not missed any school days through June 17th, which would be next Thursday, guess what? They don't have to come back anymore after June 17th. And there are a few, I know of a few who will be able to do that. Because what happens is they've been staying after their first session, after that class, that only class that they have. They've been staying the whole day. And so that has worked in their favor, because what it is, they're getting in double time, and they don't need to be there to June 30th. They will only be there through June 17th. That's with them not missing any days, of course. So they've got to do this all the way through June 17th to qualify. And then they would actually not have to come back anymore. So I'm excited for them. Yes, I dropped the French fries. I do not like that. I don't like wasting fries. The bottom that are a little crunchy that I tend not to always prefer. I don't like eating, or I don't like wasting them. Yes, I'm jibber jabbering now. But I'm enjoying my Apple Watch. Y'all know I got that for Mother's Day. I'm really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. But to me, it only served the purpose of time. I guess I hadn't truly gotten into all that it can do. To me, it just serves the purpose of time right now. So I got to get more into it. But yeah, y'all. I'm going to Walmart. No, I'll probably go to Rose's. Get me a few flowers. Y'all, I am so far behind in all the things that I would have done by now. As far as my plants, I would have at least done those that are my potted plants. I would have at least gone in and freshened them up, cut down the, just cut off the bad leaves, and got me some annuals. Well, lately what I've been doing the last few years, I've gotten annuals, meaning, y'all know what that means, of course. If you don't, annuals mean they're flowers that typically don't come back the next year. So they come back, so you have them a year and that's it. Now there are a few that might pop up, but for the most part they don't come back. So yeah, that's what I typically do, get annuals like marigolds or petunias or something like that, and I'll put them in my potted plants. Meaning, if you typically don't do milkshake and fries, just go to McDonald's and get you some milkshake and fries. Now, hold on. I cannot promise you that their ice cream / milkshake machine is going to be working. In fact, sometimes I wonder if they're just telling me that it's not working. I don't mean to be mean, but that makes me wonder, But I'm telling you, this is life. This gives me life. And yes, the milkshake's gonna make you thirsty if you're like me. So what I do, I always keep some water or some Sprite, something like that, with me, and that kills the thirst. But yeah, I just wanted to say I had a great first week summer school. The only thing I'm planning to do this weekend is, like I said, I'm gonna go and get a few annuals to put in my potted plants that I'm way behind on. I've got to put out our flag. I'm way behind on that, y'all. My flag and another wreath. I've got to do that. And I also have a couple of items that I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul and an Amazon haul on. So yes, all that's coming up. Yes, all that's coming up, y'all. And I also have some old footage that I'm going to show you. For those of you who are interested in going to Puerto Rico, I'm going to show you some of that footage from my daughter and her Superman going on her 30th birthday. Because I mentioned her 30th birthday, but I never showed you the footage that I got. Of course, being screen recorded based off of their snaps and their videos. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all all that good stuff. And I love y'all, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. June is busy. June is busy. This is the only weekend that I don't have plans for in June. Yeah, basically. We got Father's Day coming up. We've got another grad party to attend, a grad celebration for a young man, my husband's cousin. He's very special to the whole family, so we're gonna go to that. That's actually on Father's Day weekend. And then the fourth weekend, Family and Friends Day at church. So yeah, this weekend right here, I need to do some things. I need to do a couple things. Carowinds is this Friday, so turnaround trip, a day trip. So, yep. Okay, y'all, so I'm here at Rose's, and I've spotted me a couple of packs of annuals. They're a little bit more expensive than Walmart, but I don't want to go in that part of the town, because y'all have heard me talk about Clinton. Even since the construction has calmed down, I just don't want to go there. Yeah, so I'm going to let y'all see the couple of packs that I get, okay? And then I will end this vlog. Oh, and don't y'all come for me. Those of you who have this thing with wearing a mask everywhere you go. I'm fully vaccinated, and Rose's has a sign that says, if you're a fully vaccinated customer, which we don't know who is, who ain't, that's the problem with that, then you don't have to wear a mask. So I'm just explaining it, okay? Not that I have to, but I do love y'all, so I did explain it. Oh, shit. Okay, I think I'm gonna get some begonias right here. And I don't know, I might get the impassions. Anything that can take full sun, that's what I'm getting. Cancel, cancel, cancel. I know the price of Walmart. That's a no for Roses. The price is not enough flowers, nearly enough for the price. So I'm gonna go to Big Blue. They sell plumbing, housing, clothing, all that, and flowers. So if that doesn't work out, I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, y'all, because I'm not gonna go crazy with the prices with the amount of money that I pay for flowers. I'm only trying to get just a couple of little packs anyway. So I'm not about to leave with 2 packs of flowers or 3 packs of flowers and I'm paying $20. Oh no, that's out. And their annuals, they don't come. Y'all, I'm gonna have to go to Walmart anyway. It never fails. When you really don't want to go to Walmart, you have to go to Walmart. Yep, that's it. Going to get these couple plants. Okay, y'all, I already feel like this is about to be work. Too much work just to find a couple of plants that I want. All right, so I'm here at Walmart. Y'all see the Wally World logo. Yes, I'm here, y'all. I'm thinking on it. Should I go in there? I guess I'll go and find me a couple of annuals. Yep. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. And after that, I've got to stop for a deal. He wants McDonald's or McDoubles without pickles. I feel like I'm gonna have to sit there and look. I hate to do that. No shade to those of you who work at McDonald's, but lately our orders have been wrong. You know, and it's a Friday, everybody's gonna be busy, maybe somebody called in, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna probably have to sit there. But yeah, I'll take y'all with me and get a couple of these plants, and that is